Welcome to today's review, where we'll be diving deep into three top smart thermostats: the Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, and the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Have you ever come home on a blisteringly hot day, only to be greeted by an equally sweltering house? And with energy prices skyrocketing, we're often left in a dilemma: comfort or cost? But what if I told you there's a solution that ensures you never have to choose between the two again? Smart thermostats are here to make our lives easier and our homes more comfortable, all while saving on those hefty energy bills. They offer features like remote control, learning your schedule, and optimizing your HVAC system for maximum efficiency. When shopping for a smart thermostat, you should look for compatibility with your HVAC system, ease of installation, user-friendly interfaces, and additional features like energy reports and integration with other smart home devices. In this video, we're reviewing three top contenders in the market to help you make an informed decision. Be sure to click the links in the description for the best deals on these sweet buys. Our first thermostat is the Sensi Touch 2. The Sensi Touch 2 comes with a sleek, intuitive touchscreen color display that makes navigation and control a breeze. In an age where data privacy is paramount, Sensi stands out by ensuring your personal information is not sold to third parties. This thermostat can save you about 23% on HVAC energy, thanks to features like flexible scheduling, remote access, and detailed usage reports. The Sensi Touch 2 is built with durability in mind, ensuring it stands the test of time while providing consistent performance. Installation is a breeze, with the top-rated app guiding you through each step using Bluetooth technology. The intuitive interface means anyone can set it up without prior experience. Compared to other smart thermostats, the Sensi Touch 2 shines with its emphasis on data privacy and user control, setting it apart in a crowded market. One customer praised the thermostat for its vast improvements over their previous model and highlighted the importance of data privacy. They noted the ease of installation and flawless operation, even adding remote sensors to improve comfort. Another reviewer lauded its visual display and ease of programming, noting significant savings when away from home. A third review mentioned excellent customer service that resolved a registration issue, leading to a positive user experience. Here are three features that make the Sensi Touch 2 thermostat a sweet treat. 1. Data privacy. Protects your personal information from being sold. Sensi stands out in the market for prioritizing user data privacy, making it an excellent choice for those concerned about their digital footprint. 2. Energy savings. Helps reduce HVAC energy usage by about 23%. With features like flexible scheduling, you can optimize your energy consumption, translating to significant savings on your energy bills. 3. Easy DIY installation. The app provides step-by-step instructions, making it accessible for everyone. Imagine never having to worry about compromising your privacy while maintaining a comfortable home environment. The Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat offers precisely that, but it's not the only player in town. Let's see how our next thermostat measures up. Many people think smart thermostats are overly complicated and difficult to install. Let's see if that is the case with the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium comes with voice control. With built-in Alexa, you can control your thermostat using voice commands. This thermostat offers advanced sensors. These sensors detect occupancy and adjust the temperature accordingly, maximizing comfort and savings. The Eco Plus technology feature helps conserve energy and reduce your carbon footprint. Built with premium materials, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium is designed to last, providing reliable service for years. The user-friendly app and clear installation guide make setup straightforward. The thermostat's interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Compared to the Sensi Touch 2, the ecobee offers more advanced sensor technology and integrated voice control, making it a more tech-savvy choice. Many customers appreciate the easy integration with smart home systems and the energy savings. The voice control feature is particularly praised for its convenience. Some users mention the advanced sensors as a standout feature that significantly improves home comfort. Here are three features that make the ecobee thermostat a sweet treat. 1. Voice control. built-in Alexa for hands-free control. This integration allows for seamless interaction with your thermostat, making it easy to adjust settings using just your voice. 2. Advanced sensors. Optimize comfort and energy savings. The included smart sensor eliminates hot and cold spots in your home, ensuring that the rooms that matter most are always at the perfect temperature. 3. Eco Plus technology. Reduces energy consumption and carbon footprint. This feature automatically adjusts your thermostat settings to save energy while maintaining comfort. While the Sensi Touch 2 offers excellent privacy and ease of use, the ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium brings advanced technology and convenience to the forefront. But what about a thermostat that learns and adapts to your schedule? Let's check out the Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Did you know that smart thermostats can save you up to 15% on cooling and 10 to 12% on heating costs annually? Let's see how the Google Nest Learning Thermostat can help achieve those savings. The Nest Learning Thermostat learns your schedule and programs itself to help save energy. The remote control allows you to operate your thermostat from anywhere using the Nest app. The Google Nest also keeps track of your energy history. The unit provides detailed reports on your energy usage and savings. Known for its build quality, the Nest Learning Thermostat is a reliable and long-lasting choice. Setup is straightforward with clear instructions. The learning capability means less manual programming for the user. Compared to both the Sensi Touch 2 and ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium, the Nest stands out with its learning capability, making it more autonomous and user-friendly. Users rave about the thermostat's ability to learn their preferences and automatically adjust settings, leading to significant energy savings. The sleek design and integration with other Google Home products are also frequently mentioned as benefits. Here are 3 features that make the Google Nest Thermostat a sweet treat. 1. Learning capability. Programs itself to save energy. The Nest Thermostat learns your habits and preferences, adjusting the temperature automatically to ensure optimal energy efficiency without sacrificing comfort. 2. Remote control. Manage your thermostat from anywhere. Whether you're at work or on vacation, the Nest app allows you to control your home's climate from your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. 3. Energy history. Provides insights into your energy usage and savings. This feature helps you understand how much energy you're using and why, giving you the information you need to make smarter decisions about your home's energy consumption. From ease of use to learning your schedule, the Google Nest Learning Thermostat is a strong contender. However, our review doesn't stop here. If you're looking to upgrade your home's climate control, here are 3 great picks that can revolutionize your comfort and savings. 1. The Sensi Touch 2 Smart Thermostat. Perfect for those who value data privacy and user control, offering significant energy savings and easy DIY installation. 2. The ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Ideal for tech-savvy users, featuring advanced sensors, voice control, and Eco Plus technology for optimal energy efficiency. 3. Google Nest Learning Thermostat. Best for those who want a thermostat that learns and adapts to their schedule, offering autonomous energy management and detailed usage reports. Which feature do you find most important in a smart thermostat? Let us know in the comments below. You are simply sweet for watching. Thanks and see you in the next video.